Welcome back to the channel, traders. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating setup that just crossed our scanner, pinpointing a stock that's showing some serious potential for a short-term move. Get ready to break down Microvision, ticker MVIS, a name you might know from the cutting edge of LiDAR technology. We're going to examine exactly why it triggered our powerful Itozuki strategy and what the key levels are to watch. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Alright, let's zoom in on MVIS Microvision Inc. This company operates in the technology sector, specifically in scientific and technical instruments. They are at the forefront of developing and commercializing LiDAR sensors and perception solutions, with products like MVIS and MVIS used internationally. Currently, MVIS is a small-cap player with a market cap sitting around $138 million, placing it firmly in penny stock territory, which means high volatility, but also potentially higher rewards if managed correctly. Looking at the recent price action, MVIS has certainly been active. Today alone, it's seen a dramatic plus 21.33% change. Over the last 5 days, that bullish momentum aggregates to plus 29.16% gain. However, if we pull back to the last 30 days, then MVIS was down by minus 28.50%, indicating significant recent selling pressure before this rebound. The stock is currently trading 76.9% below its 52-week high of $1.7300, but it's also a solid 54.0% above its 52-week low of $2,600. So, it's bouncing hard off its lows. This rebound is backed by significant volume. Today's volume is a whopping 80,462,836 shares, which is 1.7 times above its 30-day average volume of 10,996,337 shares. That's a strong indicator of renewed interest. MVIS triggered our powerful Itozuki strategy. Now, what is Itozuki? In simple terms, it's a bear trap reversal signal. Imagine a stock that has been beaten down, with sellers driving the price lower, making it look like it's going to keep falling. But then, it suddenly reverses course, breaking back above key moving averages with strong volume. That's the trap for the bears who were shorting it, anticipating further declines. For MVIS, that minus 28.50% drop over the last 30 days perfectly set the stage for this kind of recovery. Today's impressive plus 21.33% surge, combined with that massive volume, confirms it's recovering above its EM at 1D, signaling a potential reversal. This particular Itozuki signal on MVIS wasn't just a flicker, it was confirmed by a robust VWAP and EMA alignment gate. What does that mean for you? It means the stock's price is not just moving up, but it's doing so with fundamental strength. Specifically, we're seeing the price trading above its volume-weighted moving average, which is crucial. Trend strength, as measured by the ADX, is above 18, indicating that a clear trend is establishing itself. And the relative strength index, or RSI, is sitting comfortably in the healthy momentum zone, between 45 and 68. The critical part? All these conditions, price above VWAP, strong ADX, and healthy RSI, are met simultaneously. This sophisticated confirmation filter is designed to weed out those tricky false breakouts and provide higher conviction trade ideas. Now, let's talk about the exact levels that could define this trade. Our scanner generated an entry signal price for MVIS at 3,961 cents. This is where the conditions aligned. To manage risk, a clear stop-loss level has been identified at 3,941 cents. On the upside, we have 3 take-profit targets: TPERN at 4,159 cents, TP2 at 4,357 cents, and TP3 at 4,555 cents. What makes this setup particularly compelling is the remarkable risk-reward ratio of 1.9. This means for every single unit of capital you're risking, you have the potential to gain almost 10 units. That's an incredibly favorable asymmetry, allowing for potentially significant returns even with a low win rate. Again, a quick but important reminder. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. For MVIS, given its penny stock nature and volatility, vigilance is key. Keep a close eye on those entry and stop loss levels. The current bullish volume of 18,462,836 shares, 1.76 average, is a positive sign, but watch for continued institutional or retail interest. Any news related to the LiDAR sensors or perception solutions, especially in the growing autonomous vehicle or industrial automation sectors, could be a catalyst. Always remember that MVIS is currently 76.9% below its 52-week high, so there's plenty of room for movement if the bullish momentum holds. Confirmations from the VWAP and EMA alignment gate are crucial to maintaining the signal's validity. So there you have it, traders. MVIS, Microvision, Inc., a technology company in the LiDAR space, has triggered a powerful eye-to-Zoggy bear trap reversal signal backed by strong volume and VWAP and EMA alignment confirmation. With today's plus 21.33% move and a fantastic 9.9 risk/reward ratio, it's certainly a stock worth watching closely for educational purposes. Remember to approach all trades with discipline and a clear strategy. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more daily insights, and let us know in the comments below what stocks you're watching. We love hearing from you. Until next time, trade smart, trade safe.